A ride with cosmic speed? The wooden runner bike will work well in any surrounding. Always safe thanks to the limited handlebar turning circle. The frame is smooth and polished, so there is no risk of injury for the child. Riding the runner bike teaches you to keep balance and practice your coordination. With this product, learning to ride a bike with pedals will be much easier. Durable tires are puncture-proof. Nothing will stop your fun. And they have very nice tread, leaving a trace behind. Treasure bag must be present, as well as a bell. The handle is comfortable and secure. No risk of a child's hands slipping off. The saddle can be set at different heights. Runner will meet the requirements of cyclists from 3 years of age. And when your child gets tired, the convenient handle makes carrying the bike easy.